Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make roll dough at home step by step. Begin by measuring ingredients precisely and warming water to about 110 degrees F for yeast activation. Combine flour, sugar, salt, and melted butter in a large bowl, then pour in the warm water with yeast. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead gently on a floured surface until smooth and elastic. Place dough in an oiled bowl to rise until doubled in size. After initial mixing, knead the dough by hand or with a mixer until smooth and elastic, about 8 to 10 minutes. Coat a bowl lightly with oil and place the dough inside, covering it with a damp towel to prevent drying. Allow the dough to rise in a warm spot until doubled in size, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours depending on temperature. Punch down gently to release air before shaping into rolls. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes by the counter and keeping your tablet flour-free, and it fits easily in a kitchen drawer. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it pairs nicely with a hot batch of rolls. Now let's get back to the video. Once doubled, turn the dough out and divide it into equal pieces for uniform rolls. Shape each piece gently into rounds and arrange them on a greased baking sheet or pan with a little space to expand. Cover and let the rolls rise again until puffy, then brush with an egg wash if desired. Bake at 375 degrees F until golden brown, usually 15 to 20 minutes, then cool slightly before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.